For our next drawing, start off by drawing the somewhat ovular-like shape. Now connect one side of the ovular shape to another part of the face. This will be the face of a little puppy. So add a little snout to it and then add the other side of the ears. Add a small little tail to the back. Line it with a dark black marker as such to make it look all the more thicker. Now once you are done with this, you may use a colored marker and then begin to color in your dog. We have started by using a shade of red. Following this, we have used a shade of orange and then yellow, followed by green, blue and a shade of purplish pink. Do the same on the other side as well. This is what we have done only for the ears. As for the head, we have chosen to use this shade of yellow. Now use the same shade of yellow for the rest of the body as well. Make it as even as possible, and as far as possible, try not to make it overlap, as this causes a portion of darker coloring. We have colored the tail in blue and the snout in brown. Start off by drawing this lemon-like shape which will make the head of a bunny. Then add eyes to it and a small little snout. At the back, connect it to a large pair of ears. Then draw on the feet at the bottom as such. Add a cute little heart at the back and then add a puffy little bunny tail that is circular. Now using a black marker, line it and make it as thick as possible. Use a pink marker to color in the ears as such. Use an orange marker to color in the rest of the head. Now following this, you may begin to color in the rest of the body. We have chosen a darker shade of orange as such. Color in the entire body using that except for the bottom part of the feet. For the bottom part of the feet, use a lighter shade of orange. Do the same for the tail and then color in the heart in blue. Next, start off by drawing a circle and inside the circle make two differently sized circles as well. Color in the bigger circle and leave out the smaller circles that you have used. This will make an eye. It'll make it look like the eyes are glistening. Now draw the shape of a fish on the outside. Draw on the fins and then draw the gills and the rest of the fins on the rest of the body. Once you are done with this, use the darker black marker in order to line it and make it look all the more thicker. Once again, do this for all of the parts of the body. Once you have completed this, you may use a different colored marker in order to begin coloring your fish. We have started off with a light shade of orange followed by a peachish shade. Following this, we will use another shade of orange, a shade of pink followed by green. We have used blue for the fins and then red as well. Finally, for the back portion, we have used a shade of blue to color the back fin. This is what it should look like. Make it as neat as possible. Next, start off your drawing by drawing the beak of a bird in a somewhat diamond-like shape. Then connect it to the rest of the head. Draw wide eyes. Now, once you have drawn the rest of the body, proceed to draw the tail and then also draw the wing of the bird. Now, add multiple layers and designs to the wing of the bird. Now, once you are done with this, add the feet of the bird. Use your black marker in order to line it and make it look all the more thicker. Do this for the tail of the bird as well. Do this for all of the body parts, including the designed portions of it. Once you are done with this, you may begin coloring in your bird. We have started off in the wing and then we are choosing the colors orange, green, a shade of pink and purple as such, and then grey. As for the body of the bird, start off with a peachish pink shade as such. Use a light orange shade for the head. As for the tail, you may use different colors in order to color it. We have chosen red, yellow, and then green. Thank you for watching.